Hi, welcome to this guided meditation on breathing. My name is Lisa and I'm part of the Meditation Sisters. So let's find a comfortable position. There is no right or wrong here. It's all about finding something that works for you. Close your eyes. Take a moment to realize you are in this moment, taking in the things around you, not focusing on anything specific, just a general awareness of where you are. In this moment of peace and calm. Nowhere else to be, just here. Observing your body, mind, and soul. As you maintain this soft, gentle awareness, take a moment to feel your breathing. Gently inhaling through the nose, feel the air move into your body, filling you with life. And slowly exhaling again, feeling your body relax as you let go of the air. For most of this meditation, you'll be breathing at your own pace, hopefully just a little slower. Breath is life energy. When we restrict our breathing, we diminish our life energy. Take a moment to get closer to your breathing. Make a friend of it. Is it shallow or deep? Slow or fast? Smooth or rough? Do you tend to push it or hold it? If you allow yourself to explore your breathing with curiosity, you'll get a good idea of where you are right now. You'll find when you're breathing faster, you tend to be more anxious. So by really learning to listen to your breath, to feel it, you'll be able to bring yourself to a better place. Begin to slowly deepen your breath, inhaling a sense of calm and exhaling any stress or tension. As you take these slow, deep breaths, give your body and your mind permission to relax and let go. Feel the rise and fall of your belly, slow and gentle, just like the breath. Now, as you begin to shift your attention to your breathing, simply note the 4 steps of the breath cycle. As you breathe in, notice the air going through your nose. Notice its touch points inside your nose. Then notice the pause. How the pause is an experience in itself, a sweet spot. And as you exhale, notice the air going out of your nose. The touch point as it escapes back out through your nose, slightly warmer than when it went in. And then notice the quick pause right before your next inhale. Inhaling gently through the nose, feeling the air fill up your body before exhaling again. Feel your body relax as the air leaves your lungs. In again and out again. Feeling your muscles fall deeper into a state of relaxation with every breath. Continue to focus on the 4 steps of each breath. Observe your in-breath, the longevity of the pause. Observe your out-breath. In, pause, out. pause. And again. Remember, you're not changing or controlling your breath in any way. There is no pressure, no pushing. You are just observing the motion and the sensations of the breath. As you get into the rhythm of slow, consistent breathing, take comfort in knowing there is nothing left to do but listen to my voice and tune in to your breath. You may find your mind wanders and drifts off, and that's okay, it's natural. When you notice your mind has strayed, just gently bring your focus back to the rhythm and sensations of your breathing. Breathe in and out, letting go of any worry or doubts that your body may be holding on to. Take another deep breath in, hold at the top, and release, drawing your navel back to your spine. Allow your breath to move with ease now, gently, with no force. Let go of any thoughts that may doubt you from fully experiencing the breathing practice. There is no right or wrong way practicing mindful breathing. It is perfectly fine, whichever way you decide, to allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper into a state of peace and calm. Just noticing the natural inhale and exhale of your breathing. Just simply noticing the flow of your breath. Bring your attention now to any part of the body that may be feeling tense. Breathe gently into these areas, creating more space, more freedom to move with clarity and forgiveness. That freedom is power, and you are in total control of your inner body, of the peace that you are inviting into your body right now. Gradually notice the stillness of your body. Focus on the sensations where your body contacts the floor or the chair. Exploring these sensations. Simply feel into your body and let it breathe itself. Bring your attention to the chest and belly, feeling the rise gently on the in-breath and the relaxation fall on the out-breath. Be with your breath for its full duration, the 4-step cycle. In, the pause, and out, the pause, and again. You are so relaxed in this moment. You deserve this time. There's nothing else to do. You are making yourself a priority. just to spend a moment in your busy day with your breath, to nurture your mind, to bring peace and stillness into your life. As this practice comes to an end, take a moment to wake up your body and your mind so you can return to full awareness. Sit quietly for a moment with your eyes gently open, reorienting yourself to your surroundings. And know that this relaxation will remain with you long after this practice is finished. I invite you to practice with this video over and over again. And when you're ready, try it yourself. Sit with a timer, set the timer for 1 minute, and see if for 1 minute you can pay attention to your breath. And if you're able to do that, the next day, set it for 1 minute and 15 seconds. And do this, celebrating each small victory, until you're able to do this for 5 or more breaths. When you're able to do that, you're training your brain how to respond under your terms. So when things get stressful, you can take those 5 breaths and reset your body to a more calmer, peaceful setting. It will help you handle things that are stressful and may even help others respond better. Please feel free, if you're on YouTube, to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And we're also available on our website, meditationsisters.com. Please give us a look, and if you're so inclined, go through our library and sign up for our subscription directly on our site. I hope you have a peaceful day. Namaste.